Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that a local television station sells time lots for programs in 30-minute intervals. We're told if they're going 24 hours a day, every day of the week, what is the total number of 30-minute intervals for these programs that they can sell for Tuesday and Wednesday. So what we're going to do here is a unit conversion where the unit is time. So we're starting with Tuesday and Wednesday, which is 2 days. And we're going to say, okay, how can we change this into 30-minute intervals? Well, we're going to be multiplying it by a bunch of fractions that are all equal to 1, right? So if you have 2 days, times 1, times 1, times 1, and so on, the value of the amount of time is not changing. You're still going to get with 2 days. Just with the conversions we're doing, we're going to be changing the units. Okay, so how would you change days into minutes? Well, you have to first change it into hours. So 24 hours are in 1 day. So the days unit cancels out for the 2 times 24 hours over 1. Okay, now we want to change hours into minutes because we're looking for minute intervals. So there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Now the hours unit cancels out, and we're told that in Tuesday and Wednesday we have 2 times 24 times 60 minutes. And that's helpful, but we're not looking for how many minutes, we're looking for how many 30-minute periods there are. So we have to say, okay, for one program, or for one time, they call it time slots, so we can call it time slots. For one time slot, it's going to take up 30 minutes. And this is going to give us the number of time slots because the minutes cancels out. And again, this is multiplying 2 days by something over itself, something over itself, something over itself. So this is times 1, times 1, times 1, and the value of the amount of time has not changed. So we are left with 2 times 24 times 60 times 1 time slot over 1 times 1 times 30. Okay, first thing we can do, cancel out all the 1s, multiplying by 1 doesn't do anything, and we are left with 2 times 24 is 48. 60 divided by 30 is 2, so we have 48 times 2 time slots, and this is equal to 48 times 2 is 96 time slots in total. So what is the total number of 30-minute time slots that the station can sell for Tuesday and Wednesday? Your final answer is going to be 96. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.